The following are some of the topics which you need to take note of when writing this GCE 2024. The first thing you have to know is to go through to understand the plant cell, the parts of the animal cell and plant cell. Because this question, they usually come in paper 1. Also, they can bring it to the essay. Maybe they can give you a diagram. Also, parts of a flower. I think in 2022, they brought at explain the main function of a flower. So maybe this year, they might draw a part of a flower and tell you to label it. So you need to bear it in mind. You need to understand all the parts of a flower. And also we have got diseases due to nutritional deficiency. These are proteins. These are diseases whereby they have got their effects and also how can you prevent it. So you need to know it also. We have got also the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, it's the human body, the parts inside, not just the stomach, the liver, no. The whole body, maybe they can tell you to label the parts, they can even draw it because it came, I think, in 2018. So maybe 2024, they might bring it. So it's better you know the parts, everything. Respiratory system. Also, these topics, they don't miss in an exam. It's either to multiple choice or to paper 2. So all these topics, they usually come also in paper 1. So for you to be safe, you need to understand all these topics, because if you understand these topics, whenever they will bring a question in paper 1, you won't have any challenge. That's why it's important to understand the topic. The other one, you have got health. When you come to health, it has got a lot of things inside it. Number 1, you need to know the diseases. We have got what we call social diseases, mental diseases. Also, after that, you need to know that there are some diseases like malaria, bilharzia, cholera. So they can bring, everything is just health. And also HIV is under health. So health is wide. So you need to know the diseases, the causative agents, the symptoms, how you can transmit from one person to another, all this. That's why health is important. For you to be safe, you need to understand the whole topic. Also HIV and AIDS, it comes. They can tell you, most part in paper 1. The endocrine system also, each and every year, it comes. Number 9, we have got functions of the parts of the eye. I think in 2020, they brought the eye to say label it. But maybe now they might ask you, explain the functions of the eye. They will give you the parts, you to explain the functions. Reproduction in mammals. This is the male reproductive organ or female reproductive organ. This question, they came a long time. So take note. The soil. Under the soil, we have got loam soil, clay soil, sand soil. So you need to know all this. Also, they can ask you, how can you make soil to be fertile? There is a topic under there. Also, I've got coordination of the eye. When you want to focus on something, it's also very important. It comes. We have got also support and locomotion, which is the first topic in biology, which is grade 10 week. And also genetics. Genetics, every year, there is no paper without it's not biology if there is no genetics. So you have to make sure that at least you understand something when it comes to genetics. Don't just leave it blank. At least try by all means. Also, the favorite of the examiners is ecology. Ecology doesn't miss. If it misses, then there must be health. in that place of ecology. So these topics, they exchange them. If there is not that topic which is supposed to be, they will put something else. So if you want to be sure, go through multiply section C, essays, check. You will discover that every year, genetics, ecology, it's there. But the soil, it came long time. There is a high chance of it this year. It came long time, the soil. Also, we have got what we call water cycle and carbon cycle, and also nitrogen cycle. You need to know those. They are very important topics. These are the topics which you might not cover them, but at least try by all means to go through, to prepare yourself, so that whenever the exam comes, you are equipped. Because the examiner, they won't say you haven't covered. They will just touch from there at the back. So for you to be safe, by now maybe you can just start at the back, which is ecology, coming to the soil, genetics. Then when it's near about right, you can start from the first there, plant cell, for you to be safe. So please, they are the topics which they don't miss in an exam. Try it, go through them, you appreciate later. More especially ecology, genetics, health, and parts of plant cells. They have got high probability of being there. Thank you.